Hello students, welcome to Tiger is Digital Online Classes. So in yesterday's video, I had taught you the chapter of how many squares. From that, we had seen in that some questions like how big is my hand and my footprints. In a square grid, we had drawn that your footprint and even though your handprint, and we had removed the area which covered by that hand. Also, we had seen the animal footprint, then the what we say hen's footprint. And one question homework I had gave you that from the page number 39, that it was the footprint of tiger, and we have to remove the area of that footprint. Okay, I hope so that you had completed your homework. So all of you open page number 40. Now, the topic is how many squares in me. In me means not you or me, it means the shapes, whatever they had given. Okay, so let's start. Let's see the conversation first. The first girl, what she's saying, what is the area of this triangle? So that they had given one rectangle, in that they had drawn a triangle with a green color, olive green color triangle they had drawn. So let's see the other girl, what she's saying. The triangle is half the rectangle of area 2 square centimeter. So its area is dash square centimeter. So what the girl is saying, she is saying that the triangle is half of that rectangle. If you observe properly, you can see the rectangle is half. Sorry, the triangle is half of the rectangle. Yes, see, this is your rectangle. Yeah, and this rectangle is made, the area of the rectangle is, let's remove the area of rectangle. We know by observing this, we know that what is the area, but by using the formula, we'll remove the area of the rectangle. So tell me, what is the length of the rectangle? Hmm? Length of a rectangle, it is a 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter, you can see, just because it is 2 squares are there. What is the breadth of the rectangle? 1 centimeter. Good. Now, what is the formula of the area of rectangle? In in the starting of this chapter only, I had told you what is the formula of the rect area to find the area of rectangle. Yes, it is length into breadth. Okay, this is the formula. So what it will be 2 multiplied by 1. What answer we will get? Get 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Understood how to remove the area of rectangle? Now, if you observe a triangle, the triangle is half of the rectangle. If we see this triangle part, if this part, the upper part of the, which is little bit covered in the other square, if we place this part here, yes, it will form a square proper, it will fill the area. Yes, so it is a half of a rectangle, so triangle. So how will remove the area of triangle? Triangle half. Rectangle we know. Rectangle, area of rectangle divided by 2, because the triangle is half of the rectangle. That's why we are dividing by 2. Okay. So area of rectangle is 2 divided by 2. What answer we'll get? Do dividation fast. 2 ones are 2. So what answer we'll get? 1 square centimeter. So area of triangle is 1 square centimeter. Understood how to remove the area of triangle? Yes. Now let's go. to the next picture. The other girl is saying, is this shape half of the big rectangle? You can see there is one big rectangle. And she's saying, is this shape half of the big rectangle? By observing, what do you think? Is it half of the rectangle or it is more than that? By observing, I feel so that it is more than half of the rectangle. Let's find out. Okay. So the yellow girl, what she's saying, so it's area. Now we have to remove, so we'll find it. So let's see. Well, tell me, remove the area of this rectangle first. What is the length of this rectangle? 2 centimeter. Length is equal to 2 centimeter. And breadth, it is 4 centimeter. So what is the formula of area of rectangle? 2 into 4. That is length into breadth. So 2 fours are 8. So what is the area of this rectangle? It is 8 square centimeter. Understood how I am removing how I got the 8 centimeter. I'm not writing here just because it is taking a lot of time. I'm using the pen of laptop, so it is taking quite time. So I'll just tell you, just whatever I'm saying, see that hear that properly. Okay. So area of rectangle is 8. The area of this rectangle is 8 square, 8 centimeter square. Yeah. Now, if you observe this thing, if we place, I'll take other color. If we place this area over here, yeah, and this part over here, will it become half of that rectangle? Yeah. This whole area, if we put here and here, will it become half of that rectangle? Yes, it will be a half of that rectangle. So area of rectangle, what we got? 8 centimeter. And if we do the half of the, as a formula, upper formula, we divide with the half. What will be the half of 8? It will be 4. Yes. Understood how what I'm saying? If we divide area of rectangle divided by 2, because it is a half of that rectangle, so what answer we'll get? We'll get 4. 8 divided by 2 in 2's table, where what comes for 8? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So what answer we'll get? 4 square centimeter. Understood how we remove the area of this picture? Same way, when we'll go for the other pictures, when we'll go for the question number, next part, write the area in square centimeter of the shapes. So they had given us some shapes and we have to remove the area of that shapes. Okay, I'll just do one for you, others you have to do on your own. It's not quite difficult, just observe the shape, try to place that half and half things in that, and then you'll understand. Let's find the area of this triangle. So if you see the triangle, first of all, draw the grid lines. You'll understand very easily when you'll draw the grid lines in that shape. Okay. So this is the grid line of this. Okay. So now if we draw a rectangle over here, completing that triangle. If you observe this triangle, it is the half of that rectangle. Yes, it is a half of that rectangle. So half means what we will do again. What I do, if it is a half, then what we will do, we'll remove the area of this rectangle and then we'll divide it by 2 because it is a half of the rectangle triangle, and then we'll remove the area of that triangle. So what is the area of this rectangle? Length is 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the length of this area? 4. Sorry, rectangle area of this rectangle? 4. Breadth is 1, 2, 3 into, I'm not writing length and breadth, I'm writing direct question answer. 4 threes are 12. Yes. And what is a half of 12? When we divide 2 by 12, what answer will get? 12 is a area of this rectangle. You have to do on your own these things. Okay, for calculation you have to do. When you'll do, then only you'll understand. I'm doing here for you, but just if you don't understand, let me know. But try to find the area of rectangle first, then do the area, then start doing the remaining part. Okay, if it is given half of that rectangle, you have to divide it by 2 and you can find the area of that particular shape. Divide by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So area shape for area of this this triangle is 6 square centimeter. Understood how I got the answer? Now let's see for the next part. Next shape, B. First of all, draw the grid lines, which is very important. Then only you'll understand how we will remove the rectangle, how we will remove the area of that shape. It is taking quite little bit time, but still, okay. Now you can see here, we can't draw a rectangle on this shape because it is the middle of that grid lines. Yeah. So what you'll do, in previous session, video, I had told you that when you have to remove an area covered by that picture, 4 things you have to do. First one, count the complete area covered by that shape. Then half area covered by that shape, then count the more than half area covered by that shape, and then count the less than half area covered by that shape. So how many area is covered by this shape? Complete, let's see complete one. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are completed. Okay. Now more than, can you see more than? No. Can you see half? Yes. See, this is a half of this shape. Yeah. This is a half. This is also half of this shape, half of this shape, half, 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 half. Yeah. Now, this is a little bit, what we can say, 1/4 of the shape. Yeah. This is also the 1/4 of this shape. 1/4 of area covered by this shape. Then 1/4 of area covered by this shape. Okay. Now, when we add, we got already 4 completed area. 4. Yeah. Now let's see the half of. When we add this half in 1, if I place this half on this square, in this square, will it make 1 square? Yes. Will it make 1? Yes, it will, because this both half makes 1 square. Yeah. This both half makes 1 square. This both half makes 1 square. This both half makes 1 square. So how many squares we got? Half of 1, half of 2, half of 3, half of 4. So how many squares we will get here? 4, because 8 halves we are adding. Yeah, 8 halves are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 halves are there. So 8 halves we are adding. So we got a 4 square, complete square. Now let's see the 1/4 of the part. If I draw one square like this, yes, can you see little square, little 1/4 if I put here, this 1/4 if I put here, this 1/4 if I put here, is it that I will get one complete square? Yes, I will get a one complete square. So one complete square I got. Now add all these things. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So area of this shape is 9 square centimeter. Understood how to remove the area of this these shapes? If it is rectangle, if you can draw a full rectangle, remove the area of the full rectangle. And if it is half of that shape, if the shape is half of that rectangle, then do divide by 2. If you can, if the shape is like this, try to add half, 1/4 part, more than part, and then add that all the covered area. See this also. One full completed shape I got. Two are there. Complete area, covered complete area. If I put this part, if I put this part over here, will it make one complete shape? Yes, it will, na? So I got here one more. And similarly, if I put this part over here, if I put this part over here, I will get one more completed area. Yes. So how many parts, how many squares I've got completed? How many area did this shape had covered? 4 square centimeter. Because 4 squares I got, which is completed. Understood how to remove the area of the given shapes? Now remaining D, E, F you have to do on your own. Try to solve it. Try to understand the shapes properly. First draw grid line and then then try to find the area. Let's go on page number 41. Try triangles. Let's see what Samina is saying. Both the big triangle and this rectangle have the same area. Sadik saying, but these look very different. Now you can see the rectangle they had given. In that there are two triangle. One is of blue color and one is of red color. So Samina is saying both the rectangle having a same area. But Sadik is saying, but these looks very different. So how can we'll find the similar? How can we say that they are having a same area? So now let's what Sadik is saying. The blue triangle is a half of a big rectangle. Half of a big rectangle. If you skip a red triangle, just see the blue triangle. See, this is a rectangle. It is very important part, okay? Just observe properly. This is a rectangle. Now the blue triangle, this is blue triangle part, middle part. He is saying that it is a half of a rectangle. Yes, it is a half of a rectangle. Now what is saying? Area of big rectangle is 20 centimeter and 20 square centimeters. What is saying? The area of this whole rectangle is 20 square centimeter. So what will be the area of this rectangle? So what I told you, when it is a half, what you'll do? You'll divide it by 2. Tell me what will answer will come? What will easy, you can by saying also you can tell me the what is a half of 20, it is a 10. But if it is possible, try to divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. Understood? So what is the square half of the rectangle? So the area of the blue triangle is 10 square centimeter. Understood how I had removed the 10 square centimeter? Just because the area, the blue triangle is a half of that rectangle, that's why. Okay, next. Now Samina is saying, what about the red triangle? What about the red triangle? So let's go down. Now Sadik is saying, ah, in it there are two halves of different triangles. Halves of two different triangle. Halves means what? Two colors they had shown. We can see a saffron color rectangle and one is a green color rectangle. So this is one color. And if you observe a triangle, it is exactly half of the both rectangle. Yes. Can you see? This is one rectangle. And which color I should take? red one. No, already red triangle is there. So I'll take green one. This is a green rectangle. Yes. If you observe, it is this rectangle is a half of this rectangle. So what you have to do? Again, same thing. Remove the area of this rectangle. Yes. And then afterwards, remove the area of the green rectangle. So what will be the area of this saffron rectangle? Tell me fast, fast. Length is 4. Breadth is 3. Yes. What will be the multiplication of this both? 4 threes are 12. Yeah. If 12, then it is a triangle. It is triangle is a half of that rectangle. So what will be the answer of that triangle? Area of that triangle will be half of 12 means 6 square centimeter. Yes. Then let's see for the next one. Next, green. Area length is 4. Breadth is 2. 4 twos are 8. And half of 8 is 4 square centimeter or 4 centimeter square. 4 centimeter square. Now what we have to do? We have to add this both area of the triangle. So 6 plus 4 equal to 6 plus 4 equal to 10. So what is the answer? 10 centimeter square. Understood how we remove the area of this triangle, red triangle? Now here the crow is also asking us. Now you find the area of the two rectangles Sadiq is talking about. What is the area of the red triangle and explain. See, we had find out the area of the red triangle, that is a 10 centimeter square, and we had explained it that how it is, how 10 centimeter square is coming. Okay, understood both all of you? Now next page number 42. Now the both they are saying, yes, you are, no, the girl is saying, yes, you are right. And you know what? You can draw many more triangles of area 10 square centimeter in this triangle. Try drawing them. Now what they are saying that both the triangles, what we had, the area we had removed of both the triangle, they are the same. Means the blue triangle area is also 10 square centimeter and the red triangle area is also the 10 square centimeter. So what they are asking us to draw same 10 square centimeter triangle in the same rectangle. So one note they had given, help Sadiq in finding some more such triangle, draw at least 5 more triangles. So let's let's go up. You can see both the triangle has 10 square centimeter area. Now they had asked us to draw the a more triangle which is having the 10 square centimeter area. So let's draw. You can see one triangle is a half of the one triangle they had drawn in the half of the rectangle. So one more we can draw in this way, the opposite of the half of the triangle, opposite of that first rectangle. Yes, one. So this is a one triangle. Then you can see the red one they had drawn over here. So we can draw the other one this side, which is having opposite to exactly opposite to this. How many triangles we had drawn? 2. I'll take other color. Now if we draw half this side, half of this side, All the rectangles, triangles are having similar area. How many triangles are drawn? 3. Now more to go. If we draw the opposite this side triangle, understood how, are you understanding how I'm drawing it? Because it's very important. If I draw opposite this side, finish. So all 5 I had drawn for you. Understood how to draw the triangles, 5 triangles? Yes. So this is the, they had asked us to draw at least 5 more. So we had drawn at least 5 more. So let's see next part. Complete the shape. Suruchi drew 2 sides of shapes. She asked Asif to complete the shape with 2 more sides so that its area is 10 square centimeter. So now here Suruchi, she had in this square grid, she had drawn two side of the shape. Now she is asking to draw Asif another two more sides of that shape. But that shape should be contains 10, the area of that shape should be 10 square centimeter. Means if we say that if you want to draw, we can draw like this also. We can draw like this also. But whether the area will be exactly according to the condition, no. We have to see that we have to draw a proper. She had told Asif to draw a proper area, proper shape that it will cover the 10 square centimeter. Yes. Now the Asif, what he had done, he completed the shape like this. This was the Suruchi's shape. This was Suruchi's shape, and this was Asif shape. So let's see what they had asked us. Now Suruchi is saying, how did you do this? So Asif is saying, oh, that's easy. If you look at the green area, it is 4 square centimeter. Below it is the yellow area of 6 square centimeter. So the area of my shape is 10 square centimeter. Okay. Now the question they had asked, is he correct? If he is correct, then how? Discuss that and explain how the green area is 4 square centimeter and the yellow area is 6 square centimeter. So similarly, in previous topic, how we had removed the area of the particular shape. Similarly, we have to remove the area of this given shape. Now, first one, what is saying that the upper area, matlab, means the Suruchi which she had drawn two side of that shape. They are having how many? 4 square centimeter. So let's see how it is 4 square centimeter. So what I told you before, understanding the area covered of that shape, what you have, we will do 4 things. That is, we'll count the first complete area covered by that shape. You can see this area is this both the area they had completed with that shape. So Ruchi had drawn. Yes. So we got 2 complete area. Now this is a half. This is a half of that area. This is a half of that square. This is also the half of that square. This is also the half of square. As I told you, when there is a half, 2 half we got, when we add that 2 half, what we will get? 1 square. Yes. If I place similar, if we got here 2 halves, 4 half we are having. 1, 2, 3 and 4. When we add 4 half, how many square we will get? We'll get 2 complete square. So 2 more complete square. So what we completed 2 and half we had got. What will be the addition? 4 square centimeter. Understood how green area is? Area, it is a 4 square centimeter. Now let's see for the yellow one. So the yellow completed part we will see first. Completed part. This is a completed. This is also completed. Oh, gone little bit more. Yes, this is completed. So how many completed squares we got? 3. 3 completed squares we got. Now, more than half. Let's see more than half. This is more than half and this is more than half. Yes, if you see this part, the little bit covered part, if I place this part here, yes, will it form one square will form? Yes, it will. So plus 1. If you see this part, if I place this part on this part over here, will it form 1? Yes, it will. So plus 1 and remaining half you can see this is a half part, this is a half part, half of the square and half of the square. So when we'll add two half, what we'll get? We'll get one more. One full complete square. So add this thing, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So the yellow area is of 6 square centimeter. So total 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 square centimeter. So is he correct? Yes, he is correct. And explain how this question we had explained how the green area is 4 square centimeter and the yellow area is 6 square centimeter. Understood how we get the answer? No needed to write or explain here. Okay, just understand this concept when I'm just teaching you. Okay, no needed to complete write the answers in your textbook because the answers is quite little bit and the explanation might goes in a big answer. So better just try to understand. Next on page number 43. So what they are saying, oh, I thought of doing it differently. So Suruchi is saying that I had thought differently. See, this is the way what she had thought, the shape Asif will form. If you draw like this, the area is still 10 square centimeter. So whatever the area of this shape is there, it is still 10 square centimeter. So now they are asking, is Suruchi correct? How much is the blue area? And explain. Can you think of some other ways of completing the shapes? Try some other way yourself. Now ask your friend at home to solve these. Now what the girl is saying, every time guest come home, I ask them to do this, but why do they run away? So what happened when she asked this guest to come home, that draw the area like this, two more side of the shape, that and she gave some condition to them, and what happened, they don't solve it but they try to run away from her. Okay, so this is a jokes apart. Now what they had asked us to remove the area of blue area of the area. How much is the blue area? So this is the blue part. We already know this is of 6, sorry, it is of 4 square centimeter. We already know this. Now what we have to do? Remaining part, as we know that she is saying this is a 10 square centimeter, so upper one is a 4, so remaining one will be 6 square centimeter. Understood? If still you have to remove, you can see the completed part, completed area, then you can see the half area, add that half area, and more than covered area also you can see here. Okay, and they had asked us to try other ways yourself. Try some other ways. You can draw the grid line in your maths textbook notebook, and try the shapes and play this game with your parents also. Next, practice time. This all questions you have to solve in your notebook. Practice time question number 1, 2, and from page number 44, question number 3. So solve this question in your notebook. Question number 3, A, B, C. All the questions you have to solve in your notebook, and it is similar to whatever I had taught you before. Okay, so I'll not explain you here practice time. You have to do these things on your own. Understood? So for today's session, if you whatever the watch a video properly and then try to solve the questions, because in previous video I had asked you to trace the hand on that grid section, but what you had done, you had drawn the shapes, or you had someone had not understood, but properly they had written there, they had given the instruction, trace a hand and then remove the area, trace a hand and then remove the area of that shape of that area covered by that hand. But still some people don't understand. Watch video frequently so that you will understand the concept. Okay, if still you don't understand, let me know, I'll answer your question on WhatsApp. Okay, complete the practice time in your notebook. Don't complete in a textbook. This should be completed in your notebook. Okay, all questions, question number 1, 2, and 3. In 3 also there are three sub questions, that A, B, C, that also you have to complete in your notebook. Okay, all of you, take care. Bye.